Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing with you my version of an upcycle candle jar DIY. And who of you out there love candles and don't want to throw away the empty jars? Yes, that's how I'm feeling, and if you guys want to see how I created this simple and modern looking upcycle, then just keep on watching. Start by cutting your plastic spoons, and I recommend to choose spoons that are less durable because it's much easier to cut, and then just make sure that the edges of the spoons are straight. Paint spray your spoons and your jar, and one way to get out the wax of the jar is by freezing it for about 30 minutes, and then it will come right out. Before spray painting, make sure that your jar is clean and oil free. Then glue the spoons to the jar. Start at about the middle so there's enough space for 3 layers. When you get to the second layer, use glue that tries off transparent and sprinkle some glitter on it. To finish it all up, just add the last layer and then you're all done. Let me know what you guys do with your empty candle jars in the comments below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Other than that, I will see you next time.